What's up, Hidden Heroes? It's me, Hidden Area, and today we are going to be doing Loomian Legacy again. From the last video, we're going to be doing Loomian Legacy again. There we go. Alright, so... Oh my gosh. Wait, let me see something real quick, guys. Wait. I can't see. OMG, a gleam? So rare. And I don't have any gleams. That's the bad thing about this. Anyways, I want to show you guys something. Oh wait. What? This guy literally has my... No. He literally copied Felix, but it's green. Fair. Okay, anyways. Let's do this, guys. So, oh yeah, I forgot I can do this. Dumpa. Wait. I'm stuck. Okay, there. Alright, let's do this, y'all. So, let's do some stuff. So, I'm gonna be doing some training. You guys wanna... Okay, I'm gonna be doing some magma, go to the magma cave. I don't know what it's called, but there's like a random cave that has magma in it. And I'll see if we can find some rare I want to see if I can find some rare Loomians in the cave. Just can't wait. This guy is Jungle Jitsu. Destroy Mondo. Yeah, I destroyed the cat note. Okay, so let's do this, yo. Oops. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so get here. Wait, there's flowers? Okay. Let's see this animation. Animation time! Alright, let's do this. There's something new I haven't seen. These flowers. These flowers are new. I didn't see them before. Okay, anyways, let's do this. Okay. Wait. Okay, anyways, let's do this. Alright, Hidden Heroes, let's do this. Okay, we're ready to go to the magma cave. I don't know what it's called. It's a cave. I don't really know what it is, but it's a cave with magma creatures. That's why I call it the magma cave. There's so much flowers. Is spring coming? I don't really know. So, let's do this, yo. Okay, let's do this. So, the caves is over here. So let's walking is so slow. Anyways, let's do this. Okay, so some battle people. Wait, there's so many flowers. There used to be none flowers here, and now there's like a million flowers. Okay, so I'll show you where the caves are. It's right there, the cave. Wait. Okay, anyways, let's start. So, I don't think Felix will be happy fighting all these fire Pokemon because he's a grass Pokemon. He would totally burn down. So, let's get Natty there to recover. there's so many flowers. So much beautiful flowers. I thought that was a way in. So, yeah. You have to walk all the way there. Can I battle her? Because I don't think I have. I usually skip on battling. But I feel like I want to battle today. Okay, yeah. I forgot to battle this guy. Want some water. Forgot about this guy. He has water. But it's okay because I can use this one. Destroy. Yet I just destroyed a gum pod. Yeah! Spells. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Yeah. Got XP. We got so much money in this game. I don't know what he used it from. For Labrador. What's wrong with me? Okay, anyways, let's do this. Okay, by the way, shout that if we hit 50 subscribers, we'll be doing a giveaway in this game, Loomian Legacy. So, so this is how to enter the giveaway. I'm doing giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss the video, and subscribe so you don't miss the video. We're going to be announcing the giveaway winners. So subscribe, turn on the bell, like the video, and type your username in the chat. And I'll friend you, and then meet me in the trade resort. And I'll be waiting there. So it's gonna be a giveaway. It's gonna be an ultra giveaway. But I have to give away the people who are online first. So let's go in the cave, people. It's really hard to control. Okay, let's go. Okay, I already have that. This is great. Fight skills. Skills, I say. Wait, what am I doing? Destroy Mundo. Destroy Mundo. Destroy Mundo. Okay. Let's do this. So scary. Oh man, I already have that. Plus, I've been rallying, so I have like a ton of those. Submerge. You submerge and destroy that crystal. Okay, let's do this, people. So, we're walking in this deadly cave, and then we spotted something. I need to use a repellent, but I used it all up. Okay. Battle formation. My auntie's sneezing. Anyways, let's just run away. Skip this thing. I keep fighting these pigs. Keep fighting them. Why? Oh, why? I'm just gonna run away. It'll take forever. It's gonna take forever. And ever, never, 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 never. It's gonna take forever. I just wanna find a cool Pokemon. I mean, Loomian. I keep messing up. But I can't pronounce it. Just run away. Run away. Okay. Once I found a good Pokemon, this is how I got it. Wait. I just saw something. Wait. Real quick. Let me go up there real quick and I'm dead. I'm dead. I don't wanna die. Yeah. I keep getting hit. Seriously. Get out of here. Let me get out real quick. How do I get out of here? I'm literally stuck. I can't see anything. If you guys can see something, I apologize because my screen is so dark. Man. Alright, let's do this, yo. Okay, let's go this way, guys. So, oh wait. I already have that. Destroy a mundo. You get XP for that. Yes, this, yeah. No. Nope. No. Okay. Just wanna get out of here peacefully. Looks so creepy. It's like, do you see that? That's so creepy. It's like, trying to steal his soul. Wait, how else became nighttime? This is fun. Very fun, I guess. So, we went to the magma caves, I mean. Okay, let's battle some Pokemon to get some XP. I want to get some XP for my Lumens, so I can get some XP for them, and it'll really help. How did that blue survive? Survive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyways, Hidden Heroes, I want to say something. You gotta enter the giveaway. So yeah, enter the giveaway so you can have a free chance to just get a Loomian for free by just subscribing and hitting the bell and liking the video and comment down below so you can win the giveaway. Goodbye, Hidden Heroes.